Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to draw a circle arrow shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show draw a circle arrow. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for a shape option. Now for click. Then click for a circle arrow shape. Now draw a shape. This shape arrow shape is in sense color. Now click for a shape fill option. Now we'll choose color and outline remove for now. Click for no outline. That's it. Then we show that draw a cycle arrow shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for